While the mysterious death of Hiren Mansukh, a car parts dealer linked to an SUV filled with explosives found near Ambani's Mumbai home last week, was raised in Maharashtra Assembly today, with the opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis demanding the arrest of a Mumbai police officer. The former chief minister read out Mansukh's wife's statement in the FIR, which has the alleged sequence of events in the days leading up to his death. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has said that the name of police officer Sachin Vaze has come up and that anyone who is found guilty won't be spared.
तपास हा एटीएस कडे देण्यात आलेला आहे. तपास एटीएस करते आहे की त्या एटीएसच्या ग्रुपमध्ये सचिन वाजे नाही आहे. या तपासाशी त्याचा काही संबंध सध्या नाही आहे. त्याच्यामुळे तपास एटीएसच्या माध्यमातून निपक्षपाती करू आणि जो कोणी दोषी असेल त्याच्यावर कारवाई करू.
मनसुख हिरेन इनकी हत्या की गई है और इसमें सीधे सीधे जो सचिन वाजे है उनका हाथ नजर आता है और इसलिए हमने ये मांग की थी कि उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए. लेकिन ये ध्यान में आया कि सरकार उनको बचाने में लगी है. उनको बचाने के लिए ठाकरे सरकार ने एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा दिया. मेरे समझ में नहीं आता ऐसी कौन सी जानकारी सचिन वाजे के पास है कि अगर वो बाजू हो जाते हैं और उनको अरेस्ट होती है तो उस जानकारी के कारण कौन कौन तकलीफ में आ सकता है.
So what is Mansukh's wife's statement in the FIR which has the alleged sequence of events? Purva Chitnis explains.
Well, in this case, which now the ATS is handling and investigating, Mansukh Hiren's wife has given a statement to the ATS, and based on her statement an FIR has been filed. There are details and the timeline that the wife of Mansukh Hiren has in fact mentioned, and she says in her statement that Mansukh Hiren and the officer in question, Sachin Vaze, were known to each other from November 2020 until February 5. The car in question, the car which was found outside Antila, that same car was given to Sachin Vaze, and that car Sachin Vaze handed over to Mansukh Hiren on 5th of February. And once after the car had come over, Mansukh Hiren said that there was some issue with the steering wheel of that car, and on 17th of February he took the car for his work, and in fact when he crossed Mulund toll naka to enter Mumbai from Thane, he found that the steering wheel was hard, so he parked the car on the roadside, and on the 18th Mansukh sent his boy from shop to collect the car, but on the 18th when the boy went to that same spot, the car was not found there, and on the same day Mansukh Hiren filed a stolen complaint regarding his car. And on 25th of February, the car was found outside Antila, and that's when the ATS officer came to Mansukh Hiren. He showed the photograph of that car, and Mansukh Hiren even identified that it was the same car that was stolen, and he had already filed a complaint about the stolen car. And then on the 26th and 27th, Mansukh Hiren was with Officer Sachin Vaze. He went to the crime branch, and on 28th he even recorded the statement. And the statement also has a copy, statement copy has Sachin Vaze's signature. On March 3, Mansukh Hiren told his wife that Sachin Vaze wants him to be arrested, so that in the next 2 to 3 days, Vaze also told Mansukh Hiren that he will get him out on bail. That happened on March 3. Then on March 4th, Mansukh Hiren got a call from allegedly a cop, and he told his wife at night that he's going out to meet a cop, and then his body was found in Kalwa Creek on the 5th of March. But the wife also said that Mansukh Hiren in fact is a good swimmer and he cannot drown. So all these details have been given by Mansukh Hiren's wife in her statement. That statement is being recorded by the Maharashtra ATS. The case is now being investigated, and in this entire case now, at Maharashtra Assembly, the opposition has raised questions on the government, saying, asking that the government should immediately suspend Officer Sachin Waze and in fact arrest him as well, and to which the government is saying that the ATS is investigating this case, and whatever comes out of the investigation, no one will be spared, even if that is Officer Sachin Waze.